Hey, what's up, y'all? We're gonna go over that hole. I got a friend that does it. I got a friend that can do it cheaper. I could do it myself. Well, this is why you don't do that. So, dude's bringing it in because it's steering one way or the other, clanking, all this other stuff. Kind of going quick because I don't want you to see yet. But he's got front end issues. You can see all the shiny blue stuff. He replaced all of his front end parts. But long story short, brand new ball joints. Look at this. Not even pressed in all the way, so you've got a gap in there, so it's not even pressed. Overfilled it, tightened it so damn much that he's probably actually already damaged that ball joint, squeezed all the grease back out of it. Same thing with his wheel joints, upper ball joint, tie rods. I mean, every single thing has been just torqued. I mean, you can tell, look how far that's been going down. Everything just gushed. Look, big old rips in the boots. Same thing over on this side, ball joints. So definitely save yourself some money, but make sure you put the parts on right. This bar right here is on completely backwards. This angle, this little lip right here, this one's straight. This is straight. Oops, sorry, this is straight. The straight one goes there. We'll keep it going straight across, and then you get that little angle over. So bar's on upside down, plus I'm assuming he's probably getting a bunch of clanking and snapping up in there. So I'm not knocking y'all. I'm not knocking anybody. If you can save yourself money, hey, this is how I learned all this. Save yourself money, do it yourself. But if you haven't done it or don't know what you're doing, get a book or watch a YouTube video first. There's many jobs that have saved me from getting screwed up because I watched it and learned, oh man, you do this, you do that. But he's lucky something didn't happen. That's very bad. So come on, y'all. Be smart. Don't be like me. Have a good day.